Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the content warning on Twitter, now known as X. First, it's important to know that this can't be done through the mobile app. You'll need to use a web browser. Once you're logged into your Twitter account on a browser, click on your profile icon in the upper left corner. This will open a menu, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on the Privacy and Safety tab. This will take you to a page with different privacy options. Here, find and click on Content You See. This section lets you control what types of content you can view on Twitter, including content warnings. Look for the option labeled Display Media that may contain sensitive content, and check the box next to it. Once you do this, Twitter will stop showing content warnings on sensitive media, letting you view all types of media without restrictions. And that's it. I hope this helps. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to One More Guru. I'll see you in the next video.